Welcome to day 5. I hope by now that you have learned a lot about landing pages, and today we're going to talk about the small tips and tricks to make your landing page high converting. So let's dive into it. The 7 tips. Tip number 1 is you gotta choose a great landing page builder. It can be Elementor, it can be ClickFunnels, it can be some of all of the possibilities you have, but you just need to be sure that it's responsive. So it works on mobile phones, it works on tablets, and wherever people look at your landing page. So that's number 1. You gotta have a really great landing page builder, and you can even choose the builder I use, my web builder. And number 2 is use a sales pitch video in your landing page, and that is really powerful because people see you and you can talk to them directly. So it really works if you want a high converting landing page. Number 3 is have a really good value proposition. Have an offer that people cannot say no to, and maybe have the 30-day money back guarantee, so they have no chance to say no to your landing page offer. And then keep your landing page content very simple. Only have one offer. You do not need to have more than one offer because that will only confuse people. So keep it simple. And remove disturbing elements. And that's again, keep it simple. And if you make a landing page on a website, you need to remove the footer and the header so people don't have a menu to be distracted by. And if you have some social proof, if you have a lot of followers on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, show that. But if you don't mention it at all. It's much better not to say anything about it. And have a clear call to action on your page, and maybe with a timed call to action like you saw on one of my landing pages, where I have 1 hour, and after that 1 hour it will go away. They will not get the bonuses, they will not get the offer. So that was the 7 tips. And a pro tip for you is buy a smart URL. And what do I mean by that? Well, I have my web builder system. They have a really long URL, so people will never have a chance to remember that. So I have bought unlimitedwebbuilder.com, so I can promote that, and that's much more easy to promote than a long URL that nobody can remember with a lot of numbers and words and all that. So buy some really smart URLs for your landing page. Maybe don't start with that if you feel a bit confused right now, but eventually it's a good idea to have some smart URLs for your landing page. And as you can see, I really love smart URLs. These are all for my landing pages. So what's next? You need to think about what skills do you need. You now have the skills to make a landing page with the right structure, but are there any other skills you need? Do you need some mentorship? What tools do you need? You need to build a landing page. Do you need a tool that only can make a landing page, or are you ready to combine it with a website so you have the possibility to brand yourself also? And how much money do you want, or do you need to invest in tools or yourself? And how willing are you to work for your success? Thanks for watching. And before I give you your task, I just want to mention that I will show you how to make a landing page in less than 15 minutes right away. So your task is to book a call with me and post your experience with this course in the Facebook group. And now I will show you how to make a landing page in less than 15 minutes. This is inside my web builder. I know I claimed that it will take about 15 minutes to make a landing page, but I bet I can do it faster than 15 minutes because this is a really simple system with drag and drop building. I go in here and make a new page, add new page, And here I can choose lead generation, webinars, checkout pages, and what do we have here? We have landing pages. And there are a lot of possibilities. You can see here preview. I have one here. It looks great. I can see how it looks on a mobile phone. Looks great, yeah. And on a tablet, looks like this. Yeah, I like it, I like it. So I will select that and we can call it test. Right here, test. And add. And here I have my landing page and it's online right now. So all I need to do now is to make another headline, a really good headline, put in my logo, put in some text here, put in some text here, and decide where this goes when people contact me. You can see there is phone here. I don't want phone, so I can go in here and edit fields and I can remove phone. Yes, away with that. And then I only have the name and email. So that is actually how fast you can make a landing page if you have the right system. And I bet, I haven't tried Elementor, I haven't tried ClickFunnels or any of the other systems, but I bet it's just as fast as this. But this is my website builder and it's really, really fast if I want to make a new landing page and give it any name, and it's online immediately. So that was all from me. I hope you had some great value from this bootcamp, and I hope to see you in the Facebook group. Have a great day.